Let me walk you through what this chess timer can do. You power it on, you get the opening theme. You can accept the times provided here. These are the default times, 10 minutes for each player. The current one's blinking, so you can edit it. There's an increase and decrease button. You can increase it by a minute, as you can see, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to decrease it to a minute for this video. Okay, that's player 1. Accept player 1, moving to player 2. Let's also decrease that. Okay, so now we can accept those times. Currently the LED is purple. When I start, player 1 will be yellow and player 2 will be blue. So blue is equivalent to, say, black, and yellow to white. Let's start. Get ready. And now, as you can see, player 1's timer is counting down. Now, you can pause this by pressing the start button, if you need to pause it, and resume by clicking it again. You can press reset to start over, but I'm not going to do that now. Pressing the decrease key, it has an extra function, in this case to switch player. So if I click it, as you can see, now we're in player 2's time. Every time you switch, 2 seconds are also added. I believe that's normal for chess timers. So this is 41, 40, 39, 38. If I switch and switch back, that's back to 40. So 2 seconds are added when you switch. When white loses, you get a different theme than when black loses. There's sort of a victory theme that plays for the winner. So I'll let this go. Also at 10 seconds, you'll see the LED pulsate to indicate that time is running out. Let's see, that should happen very shortly. There. And so the dark side won. Okay, and then it restarts. Let's do that again. So I decrease the time to 1 minute and let the other player lose. Accept that. Accept that. Start. So now let's switch to the black player. Let the black player lose. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy.